Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I need to go get my beauty blender wet. We back. Got the scissors. Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing... I'm so excited. I'm going to be reviewing Rare Beauty. I have loved Selena Gomez since I was in, like, I think the first grade. I watched every single episode of Wizards of Waverly Place the night it came out with commercials. That's how you know I was a real one. I also loved her music. I was with her during the Selena Gomez and the Scene days too, so I'm literally an OG. So obviously, whenever I got older, I looked up to her even more with just how elegantly she carries herself and how she just always is such a great example for young women. I wanted to buy her makeup because I've supported her and everything else, and I just thought this would be no different. I absolutely love makeup. I grew up doing my own makeup and learning from YouTube tutorials, so I thought this would be a kind of a fun video for me to do. This is my first time filming at night, by the way. I've got my nice TV in front of me that's just like straight blank white screen, so hopefully this works out. I look very pale though right now, so let's hopefully change that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my base, and then we're gonna get back and actually review the product. So let's go ahead and get that base on real quick. Hey. So as you can see, I just did a little bit of base. Basically all the products that I didn't buy or she didn't really have. Still gotta like do brow gel and stuff like that, but we'll do that later. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. I'm so excited. First off, it just says Rare Beauty. I got it from the Rare Beauty website because a ton of stuff was sold out on Sephora.com. So I just opened up the box and it all comes cute and wrapped like this. I love the tissue paper. It's a cute little moment. Guys, everything came in a little bag. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. It's just like this little cinch bag. I'm definitely gonna be using this for travel and stuff. This is gonna be so handy. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so it came with this. And then it also came with this little card. It's just a cute little note from Selena. So let's get to the unboxing and I'll actually show you the products that I got. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the products as I use them on my face. So the first thing that I got were the blushes. Oh, it's taped. I would have thought. Okay, so I got two of the blushes. This is the one in Bliss. It's just a very light pinky nude. It said that a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna like swatch it on my hand real quick. This is the matte consistency. This is the shade Bliss. It's very soft and I don't think you can see it. And then the next shade is called Joy, and it is their dewy shade. Selena said that this was her favorite one, so of course I had to get it. This one's a lot more pigmented, and it's one of her dewy shades. Joy is like a little bit of like, pow! That's Joy and Bliss next together. You can barely see Bliss, so okay, that's a better one of Bliss. So that's Bliss and that's Joy. I can definitely tell the difference on my hand. You can kind of see that shine from Joy, and Bliss is just a little bit more matte. Let's go ahead and put them on the face and see what we think. I need a mirror out. Oh, I'm really stressed at the moment. So I'm gonna try mixing it with my fingers first. That's what Selena does, so I'm gonna do what she does. I think I'm just gonna do one dot of each and see kind of what happens. I'm just gonna put that right on my cheeks. Only want a little bit of Joy. And put that right next to it. Oh, wow, she's pigmented. Oh my gosh. I put way too much on. No, I'm stressed.
What you know about love, baby, what you need. Up in the coop and no.
Okay, so I think I've got it blended out now. I am into the blush. It's going to take me a little bit to kind of figure out how much to use. Definitely packed a punch, let's just say that. I think that the colors put together are really pretty. It's not as easy to blend as I thought it was gonna be, to be completely honest, but I think that's also just because I put way too much on, so just be very careful with how much you put on, and then you should be able to do it easily with your fingers. So that's what the blush looks like. Alright, next product. This product is the Positive Light Illuminator, and I got the color Enlighten. So it's just kind of like this very pretty iridescent shade. That's way too much. I don't want to waste that. So here's Enlighten. Wow, that blends out like a dream. That is beautiful. You're kidding. Okay, I need to put this on my skin right now. Also, here's a size difference from Blush to Illuminator. I am so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on my cheekbone. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. So this is the non-illuminated side, and this is the side with it. I'm in love. Okay, let's do the other side. Just kind of drawing a straight line. This literally blends out so easily. Oh my gosh. Normally, I wouldn't take it so far down on the cheek. That's my bad. I don't normally play with cream highlighters, so I guess that's something I'll have to get used to. Little baby nose. Wow. Okay. With all these products, a little bit goes a long way. So if you're gonna buy any of these, just definitely remember that. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner a little bit too, because why not? Wow, that's gorgeous. So I'm just taking it with a brush and placing it, and then I'm gonna blend it with my finger. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit on my brow bone. I feel like an absolute goddess right now. I'm blown away. Okay, I know I did this backwards, but I'm just real quick gonna put on some bronzer. I'm kind of excited to see what they do next with this line, to be honest, because wow, all of the stuff I've tried so far, I'm literally in love with. And this formula is amazing. Like, I want some more cream/liquid products ASAP. I'm also gonna do some brow gel real quick. I'm using the Benefit Give Me Brow, by the way. I honestly can't wait to see what they're working on next. The next product that we have is a lip product, which I am so excited for. These are the Dewy Lip Balms. First off, can we talk about the packaging? It is like flat, so it's not gonna roll away like whenever you put it on a surface. I got the color in Praise, so that right there is Praise. It looks like a beautiful natural mauve-y nude, so let's go ahead and put it on, shall we? Wow, okay. So this is marketed as a lip balm, a very easy color for like on the go and stuff like that. Super natural, which I totally love. Love a good natural lip. I feel like this would be a good color to kind of like put on during the day and not really like worry about it the rest of the day. I feel like it does have the possibility to like transfer like onto drinks. Okay, so it does transfer a little bit, but also like they kind of remind me of the Maybelline Color Whisperers, but I feel like it's more high quality. All right, so we are on to the last product of the review. This is her setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back real quick so that my bangs aren't in the way. And we are going to try this puppy out. First off, packaging. So freaking cute. Can we just talk about that? Packaging for the entire line is just so good. I feel like it's very minimalist and cute, but it's very professional at the same time. I don't know. I can't explain it. Okay, looking inside, there kind of looks like there's glitter in it. That could be a problem because I'm not a fan. Okay, shake well. Also, you never want to spray like the first few spritzes on you. Okay. Wow. This smells amazing. I think there's like eucalyptus in it or something. Other than that, the mister is okay. I'm a little picky about like the misters and stuff like that because I feel like some of them are very inconsistent. Since I have a fan right above me right now, I can't really like judge it to its full potential. So we just tested out all the products. Now I'm going to kind of rank them from my least favorite to my most favorite so you guys know what is actually worth the purchase. In 5th place, we are going to go ahead and go with the Rare Beauty Mist. Not to say that this product was bad and I love the scent. It doesn't compare to any of the other products, so that's why it is 5th place. All right, next we have the lip balm. I really do love the lip balm. I think that it's super duper nice. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, but the only thing about this is that it is going to transfer off and it's not gonna last me all day, and it is very moisturizing on the lips. The packaging is so cute, but it does not compare to the other products that beat it out. The top 3 are pretty obvious if I do say so myself. So next we got both of the blushes. Blush Enjoy, which is way more pigmented, is going to be in 3rd, and the blush Bliss is going to be in 2nd. This is more everyday color that I would totally go for. The formula for these are super duper great. Bliss is the matte and Joy is the dewy. To be honest, I think I like the matte formula better. I think it blends a lot better. Overall, these are super great. Also, I just love the little balls on the top of the packaging. I just think they're so cute. And last but not least, I think you guys could tell which was my #1 pick. The Luminizer in Enlighten. I just think this looks so gorgeous on my skin. I also love how it's so multi-purpose to where I can use it on my face, of course, but I can also use it to highlight my brow bone or in my inner corner, and I just think that it gives a universal glow that is just so incredibly beautiful, and I am so in love with this product. Overall, I think that Selena's new makeup line, Rare Beauty, is so incredibly good. If you can get your hand on any of the products, I would say go for it because I think all of them stand to the test and they're all really great. Alright, so that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did, so it lets me know that you liked it. And go ahead and click the subscribe button down below if you'd like to see my face in your subscription box every Thursday. Or Friday, because sometimes, let's be honest, I'm pretty pretty late on the upload, but that's because I have work and school and I'm trying to have social life. I don't have that many friends. We're not gonna get into that right now though, so let's just end the video. Alright, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.